Good morning, students. Today I am going to read the remaining half chapter in science. Today we will read about communicable diseases. There are some diseases which can be passed from one person to another. These are called communicable diseases और infectious diseases. कुछ ऐसी बीमारियां होती हैं जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन तक चली जाती हैं. इन बीमारियों को हम communicable diseases कहते हैं. These diseases are caused by tiny living things called microbes or germs. The common germs causing the communicable diseases: bacteria, viruses, protozoans and fungi. These diseases spread from a patient to a healthy person through air, water, food, direct or indirect contact. They enter the body of a healthy person through mouth, nose and broken or cut skin. Bacteria cause diseases like typhoid, meningitis, tuberculosis, pneumonia, cholera, plague, etc. Viruses cause diseases like common cold, flu, polio, chickenpox, measles, etc. Protozoans cause diseases like malaria, amoebic dysentery, etc. Fungi causes diseases like infections of skin, hair and dyes. Spreading of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases कैसे फैलती हैं? The communicable diseases can spread in many ways. Some common way by which these diseases spread from one person to another are through direct contact. Many diseases spread through direct contact with the sick person or with his clothing or other article used by the sick person. अगर कोई व्यक्ति बीमार है, अगर हम उसके कपड़े और उसकी कोई भी चीज़ को इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो ये बीमारी हम तक पहुंच सकती है. The common diseases caused by direct contact are common cold, smallpox, chickenpox, measles, pink, cough, ringworm, etc. Contact diseases generally spread rapidly in our crowded places. Through air, हवा से भी फैलती हैं. Some diseases like cough, cold, influenza, smallpox, chickenpox, measles spread through the air we breathe. The germs of these diseases are present in air. When a person suffering from these diseases cough, sneeze or spit, their germs enter into the air. Soon these germs spread into the air. These germs then enter into the body of another person who breathes in this air and make him sick. Look at the picture. You see a sick person coughing and spitting on the floor. A child is playing nearby the patient. The child may catch these diseases through the air, through infected food and water. Some diseases like tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera, jaundice and dysentery or food poisoning are caused by taking infected food or drinking contaminated water. Flies and cockroaches carry the germs of these diseases from rubbish heaps. When they sit on our food, they transfer the germs to the food. Whenever we eat such food, we fall sick. Handling food and water with unclean hand, using unclean utensils and lack of sanitary conditions, they main causes contamination of food and water. Through insect bites. Some insects like mosquitoes, fleas, bugs and sandflies spread communicable diseases. Through their bites, when these insects bite a sick person, they suck the blood containing germs of the diseases. These germs are passed to the healthy person when the insects bite him. The common diseases spread by the insects bites are malaria, plague, dengue, fever, sleeping sickness, yellow fever, etc. मलेरिया स्प्रेड्स थ्रू मॉस्किटोज, मॉस्किटोज जो है मलेरिया फैलाते हैं। ओनली अ सर्टन टाइप ऑफ मॉस्किटोज causes diseases. In 1994, a large number of persons in parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat suffered from plague caused by bites of rat fleas through carriers. Some diseases are caused by a healthy person carrying germs of diseases like typhoid, cholera, dysentery, and smallpox. The healthy persons may be carrying germs of these diseases, but they do not suffer from these diseases. They are called carriers. These person transfer of the germs to diseases and another person who come in the contact. This is all about communicable diseases. Dear students, I hope you all get it well. Thank you, students.